and building this garage. It's a two-car garage, and see, we got back over here. We got our shed that we've built out with the electric, as you've seen in previous videos, and then over here, where we landscaped a bit of that hill, where there's going to be a set of stairs going directly up this hill, going straight up into the mountain. As you can see, if you look across, you can see the ridge of the mountain line over there. It's going across, and it also comes up behind us too, because this is a mountain right behind us coming up, the bigger one. This is one we're on. Stay tuned for more videos. Well, I guess that's all for this video, but there's the end result of the building project for the garage. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos.